Oats recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make pizza cups which are made by Oats tortillas. It will not only satisfy your taste buds but it will help you to maintain your weight as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First, let us start making our oats tortilla. For that, you'll need some powdered oats and warm water to make the dough. Now let's start making the dough. Add warm water gradually. So guys, you can see that a tight dough has formed. Now let's put it on our working space and knead it well. Now let's start kneading it. The dough might stick on your hands, so don't forget to apply some oil before kneading. It's formed. Now let's make tortillas out of this. Some of your working space with some flour. Now start rolling it. Make sure that you make it a bit thick because we're gonna make pizza cup with it. Now cook it from both sides. And guys, do you know that this is completely healthy and yummy diet? Come to my channel, you get all the recipes. So you can see that it's cooked. Now let me cook all the tortillas. So guys, you can see that our tortillas are ready. So the other ingredients are 1 cup mozzarella cheese, 1 cup finely chopped onions, pizza sauce 1 cup, half cup paneer or cottage cheese, 1/3 cup finely chopped capsicum, 1/3 finely chopped tomatoes and some Italian herbs. Now let's coat our tortilla. Now let's make a slurry to stick the pizza cups. For that, you need wheat flour and water. So guys, you can see that our slurry is ready. Now let's mix all our ingredients together. Now I am adding the pizza sauce to make the correct consistency. Now let's make the pizza cup. Here you can add salt, but I am not adding because the pizza sauce and paneer and cheese already have salt, so I am not adding. Oil on the mold. Now let's place the tortilla on the cup. Now add the slurry and put another. I have done with one. Now let me do the same with all the others. Add the mixture. Now let me do the same with others. That I have filled all the cups with our pizza mixture. Now let's top it with cheese. Now let's brush some melted butter on top of it. Now let's bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes according to your oven's temperature. And at the end, broil it so that it gives it a crispy texture. So guys, you can see that our healthy pizza cup are ready. which we have made from oats tortilla. Now let's remove our pizza cups. It's looking so tasty. So guys, you can see how lovely it looks. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching my different and special and healthy recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video and hit the